Good morning and welcome to the latest edition of Wake Up with SEO, where each week we brief you on the latest search engine changes and news that you need to know. We want to thank you if you're joining live or even on the replay for watching this video. It is always our goal to help provide real search engine updates and news that may affect or impact your business. If you find this content valuable, we would appreciate it if you like, comment, or share this video to aid in serving people in our community who may find this content valuable. This has certainly been a roller coaster of a week in the search engine community. The federal government has turned to civilian cybersecurity Slack channels to help fight the surging amounts of internet crime. Craig Jones, who directs cybercrime in Singapore, joined the Cyber Threat Coalition Slack channel that has more than 3,000 cybersecurity professionals to help cultivate a small online army to help defend the surging amounts of internet crime that we've seen since the pandemic. The FBI, which normally receives around 1,000 crime complaints a day, is now receiving 4 times that amount. Google also released a statement last week that it is seeing more than 18 million coronavirus-themed phishing emails a day. It's clearly been really difficult to move forward in keeping up with this increased crime. And the U.S. is not alone. It has dozens of agencies within this Slack channel group, including the FBI, the Secret Service, the Department of Homeland Security, the National Guard, and New York City's Cyber Command all have presences within these Slack channels. Ryan Heathewis from the Secret Service states that this particular partnership is a unique one for the Secret Service. Utilizing Slack channels is an effective platform for identifying cyber leads, and the Secret Service has been able to shift some of its focus on validating these existing leads and responding to the surging amounts of crime. While it took a pandemic to certainly bring these groups together, this may signal a future of what fighting internet crime looks like. Very interesting. We would love to hear your feedback and comments on this. So please let us know, what do you think and were you aware of this union? In other news, YouTube and Facebook created waves last week when they selected certain viral videos to be taken down while others remained live. YouTube has removed 2 videos of California doctors from Bakersfield whose call on their YouTube video was to ease the coronavirus lockdown. YouTube made the statement, "We quickly remove flagged content that violates our community guidelines, including content that explicitly disputes that of a local health authority, recommended guidance on social distancing that may lead others to act against that guidance given by local health officials." They also promoted that deaths were falsely being attributed to the coronavirus within the video. That YouTube video was removed showed a 1-hour news conference live streamed by the local media, including NBC and ABC affiliates. Facebook, on the other hand, has not removed the video that now has over 9 million views. Facebook declined to comment on the video and their stance. The different reactions from the tech giants highlight the ever-growing challenges facing the internet giants of moderating this high-stakes misinformation as it continues to go viral. Facebook, YouTube, and other tech platforms alike quickly took aggressive stances in the initial stages of the pandemic against the coronavirus misinformation spread. However, as this has continued, and we've seen, much like the challenge with internet crime and cases, this has been a huge struggle to contain the varied forms of claims on the platforms. This is certainly a turning point for big tech. We'd love to hear your comments. In other search engine news, Amazon Jeff Bezos was called to testify before the House Antitrust Panel, and Facebook introduces a brand new gaming app. You can learn more on these search engine updates by visiting guardianoutdigital.com, or we'll provide the link to this news within the comment section of this video. Thank you, as always, for tuning in. And remember to like, comment, or share this video if you find this content valuable. We look forward to seeing you and spending time with you again next week right here from the Nest. Stay safe, everyone.